So in today's video, I'm going to do a 24-hour dropshipping challenge. I'm going to find a product to place on my basketball 545 page. As you can see from the screen, I'm going to place on this page, and after 24 hours, let's see how much money we can make. Alright, so before we start, I want to make sure that you understand that I'm not a professional dropshipper. I don't have a six-figure dropshipping store, and I'm just a guide to document my journey. I'm going to show you everything step by step. How do I find a product, and how do I do everything on my page, and how much money that I can make. I'm going to show you all the process in this video. So if you like this kind of video, then leave under the comment section. In the future, I will make more kind of this video. Alright, so right now let's jump into my computer. I'm going to show you what the step is. So right now you can see I'm on CJ Dropshipping. So why didn't I use AliExpress? Because AliExpress, you have to wait more than 14 days. Your customer has to wait more than 14 days unless you use the US supplier. So this is why I use CJ Dropshipping, because CJ Dropshipping, they have fast shipping time, and it's better for your customer, because you don't want to having a customer that is complaining about refund because they don't want to wait your product. Okay, so this is CJ Dropshipping. If you don't know, then you can type in CJ Dropshipping and you'll come into this website. So first we're going to go up to the search bar and we're going to type in the related keyword. For this example, I'm going to do a dropshipping on my store, and my store is about basketball. My page is about basketball, so I'm going to type in basketball. Always search the product that is related to your niche. This is really important because the people that follow your page is because they love that specific interest. For example, the people follow my page is because they love basketball. So when I'm selling basketball related product, then there will be a high chance these people will purchase. Okay, so let's type in basketball. Okay, so you can see there is a lot of basketball product that you can sell, and normally that I would say that you can try any product on your store because you are not buying advertised on your page, so you won't end up losing money. But if you don't want to lose your time, there is 3 criteria that you can follow so you can save more time. So now let's discuss about the 3 criteria. The first criteria that you need to follow is the product must have a wow factor. So when people, the first time they see this product, they will say, wow, this is a really special product. So you need to have, this is the follow the first criteria. And the second criteria is to solve problem. For example, I'm going to looking for a product that can solve problem for the basketball niche, so there will be a more chance that people will buy my product. And third, the product must have 3 times the profit margin, because if later on when you are promoting your product and your product sells good and you want to run for advertising, you will have more profit margin to run advertise. So always follow these 3 criteria. But if you can't find these 3 criteria in one product, you can still try, because remember, we are not running advertise. We are using our free platform, our theme page or our personal page, so you won't lose any money. So this is why I always recommend don't run any advertising when you are a beginner. So now I'm going to quickly looking for a product that meet these 3 criteria, then I will come back. So I just found this product. This is a luminous basketball. As you can see, this product have meet the 3 criteria. The first, this product is really special. When people first time they see this product, they will say, wow, this is a really cool product. And second, this product really solve problem. People want to play ball at night, but they can't see, but when they use this ball they can see at night, so they can solve the problem and start play ball at night. And third, we're going to go up to Amazon and looking for the product for this. Okay, so on Amazon, you can see 45, 47, 44, 34, 29, 42, 59, 24. So the average price is around $40. So the price on CJ Dropshipping is $11.33. So that is almost 4 times the profit margin. So we can use this product. This product has meet all three criteria. So now I'm going to go up to Big Cartel. This is the website that I use to drop shipping. I don't use Shopify. I explained in other previous video because Shopify only give you 14-day free trial. With Big Cartel, they give you free forever. So I'm going to use Big Cartel, and I'm going to place this Lemonio basketball on my Big Cartel store, then I will come back. Alright, so now you can see I already list this product on my Big Cartel store, and you can see this is one photo, and this is why when you are using the free version, you only have one photo, but this is totally fine. You can just put all these basketball, all different kind of options into one photo and put on here, because people can still recognize there are three different colors. And I also give people to choose with box or without box. So with box, I sell for $39.99, and with box, I sell $44.99. So people can choose which kind of product they want to buy. So you might ask that only one photo and the website is not looking so professional. Does this sell? Then the answer is yes. Because the most important part is your advertise. If your advertise go up to millions of views, you can easily making thousands of money. So the more important part is your advertise. So advertise is the most important part. Always remember that if you advertise making a good views, people will go up to any website that you build and people will start buying. So the advertise is the most important part. Okay, so now you can see the website is already done. Then I'm gonna go up to find a video ad to make. So normally what I will do is I will order the product in my hand and I will make my own unique video. This is better because when you're making a unique video, you are not download other people's content. It's easy to stand out because your video is really unique. Only you have this video. Always try to order the product in your hand and making your own video. But I'm doing a 24-hour dropshipping challenge, so I don't have time to wait the product in my hand. So I'm gonna find a video that supply give it to me. So I'm gonna find the product and I will come back. Okay, so I just found a video from the supplier and I'm gonna show you the video right now. And before that, if you have the product in your hand, and always remember when you're filming a video for your product, always try to film a video ad not looking like an ad, because this is really important. If you can filming a video with your product and showing people how that you use this product and looking like your normal content, then there will be more people will interrupt on your ad, and this will showing Instagram a really good signal. Then Instagram will show it to more people. So never filming your video looks like an ad. Okay, so I'm gonna show you the video that I found from supplier. This is a video that I find is okay to put on my page. So let me show you what this video looks like. Okay, so you see the video that is really good, and I already make an edit on the end of this video showing people the link in the bio, so people can go up to the link and buy this product. So right now I'm gonna place this video ad on my Instagram basketball 545 page, then I'm gonna come back. Alright, so now you see the video is up on my page. You can see this the first video, and I also post on story that show you the story post. Okay, so here is the story. So now it's on Reels and on Stories. So that's wait for 24 hours. So now it has been 24 hours later when we upload this Reels video, then it's time to see our results. So drama please. Oh no, we didn't make any sale. So we can see from the analytics over here, we got 43 clicks on this product, but we didn't make any sale. So let's take a look on Reels, how many views that we got on Reels. So I upload 2 videos to Reels. You can see the first one is over here. This is the first video, has got 4,255 views. And the second video is over here, 2,561 views. And let's take a look. We got 142 like and 2 comment. And this video has got 88 like and 2 comment. Let's click on the comment. So you can see this lady says she really wants to buy this bowl, and maybe we need to give her a few days, then she's gonna purchase on this day. So maybe 24-hour challenge is not enough time. So maybe what I'll do is I will keep this product on my store, then try to make more sales, try to make the first sale. So let's see what the future will be like. And also in the future, I will also order this product in my hand, so I can filming all different kind of angle about this product, and I will go up to TikTok and looking for similar product and getting ideas, so I can filming my own video about this product, and hoping in the future I can make more money with this product. Okay, so basically today's challenge has been failed, and I hope that you learn from my mistakes. And if you like this kind of video, that you want to see more challenge that I do in the future, then you can leave inside the comment section. And also, you like today's video, then give me a thumbs up. I'll be really appreciated. And also don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and turn on the notification. Okay, so I'm Johnson Lin. Be motivate yourself, never give up.